Hello, welcome back to today's video. So excited to have you here. I am Ellie Brown from Uptown with Ellie Brown, and welcome. My hair is wet here. I just got out of the shower. Today's video, I wanted to do like a first impressions, try it with me. This is the Lash Lift Solutions. This is like a DIY lash lift, but at home. This had like over 12,000 reviews on Amazon. So I figured, you know what? Just got out of the shower. I really want to try this today. Let's just go ahead and set up the camera, record, and come do a DIY lash lift with me type video. Here's the before, right? And let's just jump in and see what they look like. Of getting a lash lift and maybe a lash tint. But then again, also I'm like, I don't want to make an appointment and have to go see somebody every month or however long it is to do that also. Like it's too much. So got this on Amazon, like I said. This is the lash lift, okay? And there's the directions to use here, the safety precautions right on this side. And then when you open it up, comes with, this is the upgraded self-adhesive lift pads, and then it has the instructions and the cleaning and the storage behind so you can reuse it. It comes with the tips and tricks for better results. So let's read some of this. The lash perm can last, depends, each individual can last, but it can last 4 to 6 weeks, which is actually not bad. That's actually pretty good. So can it be used on all types of eyelash? It says yes, may not be suitable for individuals with very short or thin lashes. It is recommended to wait at least 4 to 6 weeks before using the kit again. The perm should not damage your natural lashes when used correctly, but it is important to follow the instructions provided and not to over process the lashes, which hopefully we don't do that today. Okay, some tips and tricks. Carefully read the instruction manual. Remember to apply the skin balm included around your eyes to protect the skin from any accidental damage, especially around the eyelids. Opt for the upgraded self-adhesive lift pads for better use, which is these little clear ones. Allow the lash glue to sit for 30 seconds to achieve the optimal stickiness before proceeding to the next step. If needed, apply more glue. If you process it yourself, please feel free to use your fingers to adhesive to the lashes to the lift pad. It may be easier. After I don't know if this is English. After adhesiving the lashes to the lift pad, comb them neatly, otherwise the final result may have your lashes pointing in different directions. Also good to know. Okay, hopefully I don't forget any of that. Okay, I just put my hair up just so it's completely out of the way. We're just gonna go ahead and keep going. I've read through all the instructions carefully. I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're just gonna go straight in. Got my protein shake here also. Please say a prayer for me and let's hope I not damage my lashes, because if I do, I will cry. Let's do it. Okay, so step 1, let's start with this eye. That is on there. Okay, apply the eye pads, okay, and use cleanser number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue on your lashes. But what do you use? Can we use one of these thingies? I think this is what I'm just gonna use. I'm just using a little makeup cotton swab to clean. Before using the new lift pads, please clean your eyelids thoroughly, which we just did. After removing the self-adhesive lift pads, directly attach them to your eyelids. No need to use glue. After applying the lift pads, press for 30 seconds to ensure secure connections, especially the corners of the lift pad. So it comes with different sizes, small, medium 1, medium 2, medium, and then large. How do we know which one? Because they kind of, they're not all the same length. So I feel like small, yeah, mine is small for sure. So I'm gonna use the small. You know, this is not very easy. I'm gonna admit it here. Okay, that's a little bit better. So we put on the little lift pad. Skin Berry cream is on. Okay, so we're gonna apply the lash glue first. Wait 30 seconds. Lash glue I have on here. I will say it's a little hard because the lash glue is clear and this little pad is also clear. So now we're gonna use the wide brush and we're gonna comb it onto the pad. And it's 28, 29, 30 seconds. I don't know if I put enough glue. I'm gonna have to use my finger first. Doesn't this look creepy, guys? Now let me see if I can use this wide brush to comb it properly. You know, my lashes are not sticking to this. What happens if it's not sticking? Okay, lash glue is on. So use the perm lotion number 1 on the eyelash with the micro pro brush and then cover with saran wrap. And then wait 10 to 12 minutes. So I've got number 1 and I'm gonna apply. My lashes is not wanting to stick. This is making me nervous. I stick this on here. I guess this traps in the heat. I feel like this is a hot mess, y'all. Okay, wait for 10 minutes. We'll be back. I look crazy. Okay, but the next step says, remove the perm solution number 1 with the micro brush and then put on fixation number 2 on the eyelash. Then cover the eyes with the plastic wrap, waiting for 10 to 12 minutes. Like, how the heck do you remove the glue? Do you use a whole new spoolie? Like, I have questions, you know? My lashes are not wanting to cooperate also with me here. I have this one right over here at the end that just is not sticky no matter what. New piece of wrap. Okay, now we've got fixation number 2 on. Y'all, I am so scared. I have no idea, first of all, what this video is gonna look like, what my lashes are gonna look like. For the record, if you're wondering what I'm doing for the 10 minutes while I'm having to sit and wait, I am literally just doing this, trying to keep my eyes closed. I'm afraid of the solution actually also going into my eye, which obviously you don't want to do that. So I'm just sitting put here for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm stopping the timer a little bit early because I don't have a whole lot of time and I have to go get Audrey actually. So the next step says to use cleanser number 4 to clean off the residual glue and remove the lift pad gently. Does that mean I use the cleanser to also like clean off my lashes? I do that. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. The grand reveal moment. Do y'all see this? The next step is to nourish, use a nutrition lotion number 3, which I have here, to nourish the eyelash to make it shinier, which, okay. Wait, let's remove this pad. This is why you don't do things at home. You don't DIY stuff yourself. I have to call Alexa. She's gonna laugh at me so bad. What do you think of... Can you see?
Why are they straight up?
Look, only half of it went up.
Oh, Ellie. Why are they going crazy?
I don't know. That's also another good question.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what to do. I'm laughing so I don't cry. I'm like, should we just go ahead and do the other eye and try to make it look even? Oh, what do I do? Let's see. Okay, we are done with both eyes. I keep looking at it and I'm like, oh my gosh. So as you can see, my lashes are pretty long. They're a little too curled, and I hope that maybe the perm will fall a little bit and will quote unquote relax. I hope that's the case, we'll see. So I went ahead and did this eye. Because I didn't do the full amount and the full time on each eye with with the perm and the fixation, because you're supposed to do 10 to 12 minutes. And so I went in for a couple of minutes, 2 minutes with the perm and then a minute and a half with the fixation just to fix it a little bit, and I think I got it. And midway through also, after I did this eye, I was reading the instructions again and just looking at everything before going through with this eye. I realized at first that this is not for the eye shape, but for your eye length, but it is for the shape of the lash that you want. So next time in 4 to 6 weeks, I will definitely be trying the large. But all in all, I mean, like these look pretty good. They are, I don't know if you can see from the side here, they are They are pretty curled, but it looks much better than the first time. I mean, I think it looks good. It doesn't look horribly bad. Again, like as you can see now that my lashes are pretty long, and I think it's not bad for, how much was it again? Let's look. It's $24, and then there's a coupon for $2 so for $22. Not bad at all at home. It doesn't take a whole lot. Probably takes about 30 minutes total, which is not a whole lot. I don't think is really all that long. So we'll see what it looks like, and I'll try to, I will keep you updated on Instagram, so make sure you're following me over there, and I kind of will try to document, like, you know, what it looks like for the next 4 to 6 weeks and how often you actually have to do this, so I'll report back. But what do you think? Have you tried a lash perm at home? What were the results like? Did you love it? Did you not love it? Would love to hear from you down below. But anyways, that is the lash at home lash. I wouldn't even call this a review, but like, come do my lashes with me for the first time. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you can get notified when the next video goes live. It was thehotmessexpress.com. I will see you here again real soon. Bye.